No, I feel like it's getting...
What are we doing? Guys, listen, okay. I was going through video ideas the other day and I was like, hey, okay, what's the next very complicated video idea to post that will take me forever to edit? And I thought, screw that this time. Let's just have fun. Let's bring my camera with me a day in Los Angeles and be a little adventurous, bring back the travel vlogs, and then talk about some stuff that I've had on my mind and that I just want to talk to you about. Cause like, you guys probably just don't even care. You guys probably just want to hang out and have a good time, right? I'm really getting away from this whole thinking too much ordeal and not doing anything. So, in this vlog, I'm just gonna do it. Do it. No, that's okay. That's okay. I'm not talking to a camera. No, not at all. So today will also be a little update about my LA life, and you guys will get to actually see what I do here, a little bit of it. I'm gonna go rehearse a musical theater number with some kids from my musical theater class. Then I'm gonna meet up with Elliott.
What's up? It's Chief Nasty over here.
He's gonna get some drone footage and we're just gonna explore, and then I have this dance concert I gotta go to tonight. Okay, let's go. Yeah, and now I'm at school. We're gonna rehearse out of breath. Hi guys. Sorry I'm late. Do you want to be in my vlog?
Yes.
Hi. Yeah, see you tomorrow. Oh, see ya. Oh my gosh, my Uber's already here. Crap. Elliott, I'm coming for you. Hi. Hi. Thanks for making that turn. Yeah, Josephine. Where am I right now? My Uber just dropped me off here and he goes, is this the right place? And I go, I think so. I've never been. I live in LA now. I've been living here for 3 months. If you guys didn't know, I moved from Sweden. And prior to this, I've been in LA 4 times for trips, but I've never been to downtown. So I was just mesmerized by the buildings. And now we're in this park called, I think I'm pronouncing it right, Elysian Park. Apparently you're supposed to get a good view of downtown from here. I'm not sure. Hopefully. It seems to be some hiking trails. There's a playground. There's some picnic areas and whatever this is. There's nature. I'm in nature. Enough rambling. What is this? This is my first abandoned vlog. Playground. Looks deserted. There's an ice cream truck playing Christmas music. Boughs of holly, la 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 la. No, thank you, it's too early. It's coming closer. Guys. Jingle bells, there we go. No, look, it's 30 degrees Celsius right now. I don't want to hear Christmas music. I love Christmas, but please. Ah, Elliott! There he is.
It's your boy Chief Nasty.
What's up?
Low key, I can't find out, but I have to leave in like 20 minutes.
Oh my gosh. Elliott has 20 minutes.
Oh, I know, I'm gonna have to leave.
To hang out.
Right away.
Shoot something. Should we just go up there?
I guess, right?
Oh my god, okay.
You're gonna get mugged or something.
I literally said that this vlog would be like adventure, so.
This is adventure.
Yes, okay. Ah! Pretty sure this is not the hiking trail. We're almost there. Just a little more.
Oh, I see something cool.
You see something cool.
Dodger
oh,
Stadium.
Buildings, yeah. Don't fall down.
This looks like a road.
A road! Yes! Yes! That's where you're supposed to walk. Yes!
I know.
This is amazing.
This is the perfect drone.
We got it.
Situation.
Oh my gosh, stay right there. Stay right there. We gotta do the epic.
Something that I'm breathing, telling me to sleep in. Fix behind my lids like nothing gets done.
What do you want to do?
Drone time.
Drone time. Am I gonna be in it?
Yeah. You want me to make one for you? Ready for the most cinematic opening of a drone?
I'm so ready.
They do that when you go over Disney. They'll shoot your drone down.
Oh my god, really?
With invisible electricity.
Okay, I
like an EMP. They shoot EMPs on your drone.
Is this actual truth or not?
Nope. Uh-oh. Thank you.
Okay, this is behind the scenes of Elliott, Infinite Elliott's drone boomerangs.
Have you seen a drone before?
This is the first time I've seen that drone. I've only seen like a Mavic Pro.
This
So
is
this
a Mavic
is pretty
Air.
cool. Oh my god. I'm good. Guys, this is probably not legal, but have you lost yourself?
Found us. There's a weird individual behind us right now. There's a weird person.
There's a person. Or is there more persons?
There's people.
There's personas. Okay, I'm gonna be in a drone boomerang now. I gotta pose. I gotta pose.
Ready?
Wait. Okay. Okay, I'm ready. Don't screw this one up.
Well, I know I will. I'm spinning.
Spinning too.
And I am spun. He's coming for us.
They're coming for us. I wanted to talk about something that just happened right before I started vlogging today. There's quite a heated discussion going on right now between me and some of my roommates. I feel like I'm not heard, and it's hard for me. It's like one against more people. It's like they don't seem to understand where I'm coming from, and they don't seem to listen to me. And in the moment, you know, I'm like shaking and I'm trying to get them to understand, and it's easy to get your spirits completely crushed, then let that control the rest of your day. And I could have let it do that, but I had something to be excited about. I had other things planned for that day. And a little kid is sneaking on me right now. Like, I know I'm gonna have to go back and talk to them later, and this is gonna come up again, but I let it go because I had other things to do, and I just let myself get excited about them right away, and I don't feel bad anymore. Like, I don't feel down. My energy is back up. So apparently you can do that. I guess what I'm saying is, if you keep doing your thing, keep spreading positive energy and sharing your light with the world. I'm serious though. I am fully serious. If you do that, negative feelings will go away, and people might not always like you or be on the same page with you in certain areas, and that's just what it is. Do something you like, create something, go out and meet people that will bring your energy up. Sometimes all it takes is talking to people that are on like your energy level, and that will inspire and motivate you, just make you happy, to make you laugh. Work on something, get better. Some people spread negative energy and then they don't really do anything to better themselves and people around them, and they just stay in that one negative space all the time. So you can be different, and you can be the one that, you know, okay, fine, okay, you don't agree with me, you don't like me, fine, I don't care, I'm just gonna do my thing, and guess who's gonna be more successful? Yeah, and this is off topic, this is not like about my roomies anymore, so yeah, I'm just talking in general, because this got me thinking, just the fact that I could have felt down, and I was starting to, but I just snapped out of it, and now I'm good. Now I'm here in this park close to downtown LA, and I get to sit here and talk to you people, you cool people. Okay, now I'm trying to figure out what to do. I could go home, you know, but that wouldn't be a fun day. That wouldn't be a fun vlog. Correction. So should I just go to downtown? Let's just go somewhere I don't know. Okay. Los Angeles, CA. Pickup area. Somewhere in the woods. This would be cool to do with friends. It's awesome to be with cool people, but it's also nice sometimes to just take yourself somewhere. Yeah. I'm gonna keep telling myself that. All right, take care.
Will you do the same?
Yeah. my first time. Is it funny that I feel like I'm in a Casey Neistat vlog right now because it looks like New York? I haven't been in New York, but it looks like it. This is how I picture New York. I randomly passed this and I've heard so much, so let's check it out.
Thank you.
Vegan ice cream. We're home. If you guys want to ask some questions, I can include it in the video. Just ask away. I'll wait. I'm gonna see if you sent me any questions on Instagram. Advice to start a YouTube channel. I'm really scared, but it is one of my big ... and I can't see the red. Honestly, YouTube is a journey and it is for everyone, and everyone has posted so many weird, embarrassing things, but you just gotta own it. And it's cool because it's this community that we're all a part of and everyone's trying to support each other. So there's nothing to be scared about. You just gotta take the first step and then focus on what story you want to tell, why are you on YouTube, what do you want to do, and let that be your motivator. Yeah, and then once you notice people responding to what you do and connecting with it and resonating with it, that's so cool. Yeah, you get to be here and spread a message, you know, just see it that way. Like, you have this place where you can share something with the world, and that's pretty freaking cool. Yeah, figure out what drives you and what you want to talk about, and just hit that upload button and just get on the ride. Which languages can you speak? I can speak Swedish and English, and then I am learning Italian and German. I haven't really been practicing a lot at all lately, but it's something that, yeah, one day I'll just take the time and just be fluent. So I'm getting there. I want to know a bunch of languages. Alicia asks, why do you hate Christmas? I love Christmas, but it has its time. That's why it's so special every year, because, you know, if it was always Christmas, it wouldn't be special, right? My roomie Minda asks, how do you get enough sleep? I definitely don't. She also asks if you had to choose between bananas or grapes. Crap! That's tough. Grapes are like little candies, but bananas are the perfect snack to just bring with you. But a world without grapes, but a world without bananas, that'd be pretty tragic. I'd marry bananas and kiss grapes. And now to kill your question. I'm so funny. People, there has been a change in outfits. Wait. Okay. Okay. Ah! No. No. Just thought I'd share that. Let me breathe for 1 second. Then I'm gonna head out again. It was fun to do stuff again. I feel like I've just been in my apartment working on stuff, and in school and YouTube. I'm gonna do this more often. Since moving to LA and focusing more on YouTube, going to school, taking acting class, musical theater, and voice, and all of those classes, I've learned what hard work actually means and what just doing stuff actually means, and I can tell how quickly I'm getting better and more disciplined. Things are really paying off when you just put in the work and just do it, and things are so much easier. When I was in high school, I would just postpone things all the time and I'd be so lazy. Maybe because I was doing things I didn't want to do, but my point is, some things don't take as much time as you are fearing they will take. Yeah, since I've been here, I've definitely had to learn to just freaking do stuff, get it done, and be productive. And it's so much fun, and I feel like I'm changing a lot as a person, and that is something I wanted to work on previously in my life. So I shall keep that mindset, and hopefully you guys can try it out. Now I'm gonna meet up with my friend Todd from ballet class. We're gonna see a dance show that is mandatory. So I'm bringing my notebook and gonna take some notes. Then I have to write a paper on it. Am I late? I gotta go. I gotta go. I gotta go. Todd, if you're watching this, something came up, that's why I was late. Hi. You told me, yes! You told me you wanted to be on it, so now you gotta be on it. That's Todd, everyone.
Hey.
We're ballet friends / forever across the floor friends.
Forever.
Yeah, we should show them at one point.
We
our
really
skills.
should. Let's do it. I'm down.
Let's just put it down and do one.
Yeah.
We can do this thing. You told me you wanted to be on the vlog, then okay, I'll put it here. Can you see us? Okay, guys, that's it. I need a high five for that. Thanks. Ow. You ready? Yeah. And go.
Ready?
And oh my god, that's fun though. Look at you. It's crazy.
Yeah.
What are we doing? Okay. First,
No, I feel like it's getting.
what are we doing?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. We're not even in it.
I really feel like it's good this way.
Okay.
Cute.
Mess.
Mess.
Are we missing the show? Should we walk back? Oh my god, my bag.
Crushed. That's like my dream.